clear to te chi bai ule tun chum video chuan ei ultraviolet space station an hon na hian kan tel vele don ani a he showroom hi NorthEast a ama saber ani a minol koina kan thria thiam pe dan tur chuan electric bike zon na hon ani a video abula chunga top thlenga mi clear sakle turin ka som mal choni e tuna hian ultraviolet space station Aizawl aganoma ai wen hian hon na an nei a chu showroom te kan bel chek wadon ya om na lai hi hei lai so zangena problem bulkan ni ama tila hian kan lutang
insa number za som hi pasari chang khata chuan lalpan in sak lo chuan a satu te chuan an thok pen thon mai ani lalpan khopri a von that lo chuan a ven tu chu a men thon mai ani tak ei zumna ei an siam saka asu sutu an de so se te hi alo maro buya ei hi khotlang tan ko khan tan ram tan chen fa ani te hoina te po hian I big
round of applause to Mr. Zawrhna and for getting us here. This is a beautiful day. Personally, I allowed it to film yesterday. I've been going through allowing this university. Thank you so much. A big thank you to Mr. C. Louria, State Transport Secretary, Mr. Zawh, Senior SPI as well, video friends, influencers, and the biking community here for taking your time for this special occasion. Today is not just about launching our new store, and you are also going to see a pipeline of the motorcycles we have from Ultraviolette. And yes, I would request Mr. Zawrhna, Ultraviolette, and your journey. Thank you.
I hope I got it right. Thank you so much for everyone for coming today. Thank you for the dignitaries, chief guests. This is a big milestone moment for all of us. I mean, company that is Bangalore based, which is growing across the world, and coming to a place like Aizawl, which is very deeply rooted into culture, community, and environment of deep respect for the nature. That is unparalleled. I have not seen a city which is so deeply connected with the nature. And what a moment to bring electric vehicles, one of the best electric vehicles in India, to a place like Mizoram and in general the NorthEast belt. So we are honored, and Mr. Zawrhna, thank you for taking that step, and entire your family supporting all of this. I think when we met first in Bangalore, we asked a question to, are you sure you want to do this at this point of path of the company when we are growing? He was 100% sure, and we were like, maybe he knows the market, he understands very well. Today, after visiting the city, after being here, I can clearly see why he was so sure. I think we also are now 200% sure that we are in the right place. So thank you for that confidence. So we very proudly say that we are a company, Bangalore-based Indian company, and our products are designed in India, engineered for the world. And this is the first design, first sketch, which was like almost 7 to 8 years back when we started this journey. So for all of us that don't know much about us, we are a company which started 7 to 8 years back. So there is a deep research, there is deep R&D, and from that sketch to this product, it took us 5 to 6 years to come up with this product. It's been 2 to 3 years that we are selling here, and the same vehicle F77, our first flagship product, is here. You can see for all of you. In India, we are already like 42 plus cities or 42 plus stores. This will be our 43rd store in the country, and very soon we'll be in 100 stores or 100 cities, say by end of this year. So we are expanding very fast, and we get really good response from across the world, where the consumers in the overseas market, in the foreign market, they're really wondering, is this a company from India? Is it so designed, the design is so futuristic, the technology is so futuristic, that people are asking twice or thrice, is this company really from India? Because Indians globally are known for software products, IT, services. No company is very famous or recognized for its manufacturing and globally built, global kind of a technology that is into hardware. That's where people are really appreciating that a company from Bangalore is doing this kind of work and producing products. You know, just like most of you know about it. It's a scooter which is again very futuristic, designed on a 100-volt platform, and we have more than 70,000 booking pan day as we speak. And people are waiting for this scooter. They are holding on to their bookings and not cancelling. It's mainly because we are offering 14-inch wheel, the power and the torque which is unmatched, as well as features which are radar as well as ABS on a scooter, which offers you the price point of 1.49 lakh only to start with. Beyond that, we'll also be launching Shockwave, which is another motorcycle in the sub 2 lakh category. This motorcycle is also having a niche following. People love this kind of bikes, and we are the ones who are bringing electric motorcycle, this platform on the electric, in an electric way format. This also starts only at 1.75 lakh, and this will be launched before Dasara. So very soon, in this portfolio of vehicles, apart from F77, X47, you will see even Shockwave coming in the showroom.
Service center an Hong Kong. Oh, right yan. Dengan Ultraviolette showroom, NorthEast Mss Motors Hong Zawrhna, Lutan chuan booking le inquiring ti chachar thaya le chong hal chu the boka chuan ti lama hian hei service station thatak mai om hal boka servicing lama boina om don luwa chuan hei chunga hianin an bike chachang sang display boka lutan chuan en chachar ta ni an lut ve lokang hi ka frontes right to khan X47 mo chuan tilama hian F77 taka oma chuan hi X47 Wizard Wing top model khan ta ni chuan tilama hian an helmet ADV helmet mo tak om boka hei backpack te chuan hei an accessory strong an display boka lutan chuan lo zbel chen chak chuan tilama hian charging til ho vel oma hetilaya charging on board charging an ti hi a bike ina charger a ken tel hal awangin hei te chau mai pai hianin hei hemi socket top pai hianin khoi hmuna po plug omna chu charge rak the sam don pop mai hemi te hi keng top ka be ka mo ka nga khan charge mai don ni sam takin chuan hei fast charger te portable charger sang hi om chon boka soi pia rak to lo mai la NorthEast Mss Motors Ultraviolette showroom Zawrhna kan nei ta a thapam mai in lo bel chiang don ni du tan chuan om na hi zangena petrol pump bulder chi ani a mezoka bazar bula alo tan chuan aba bel chiang theya in ba en chim don ni chuan aman hi ti hian ka ren cha on road price hobel chu karon jiak lang mai tian nam bai ki kalat chuan ti la hian X47 kha ha chuan tila hian F77 ka boka chuan tila hian X47 na top model ka bok ta ni on road price shit to ti khan karon tar lang dia mai price list te por tar lang ta mai ti khan vai video chu kan du tok mai bye bye ule